In this video, Kiki Review will review a smartphone from the Xiaomi brand, called Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. 6.56-inch 21:9 ratio external screen type, flexible AMOLED. Resolution 2520 by 1080 pixels and the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3. 8.03-inch internal screen, also 2K plus Ultra Vision display. Type POL-less plus resolution 2160 by 1916 pixels. Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 is powered by a 4nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 5G mobile platform that includes an octa-core processor that clocks at 3.36 GHz, also variant RAM. 12 GB RAM and 16 GB RAM and variant internal storage. 256 GB and 500 GB. Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 packs triple rear cameras, a 50-megapixel Sony IMX800 primary camera with OIS support. It will be assisted by a 10-megapixel telephoto ultra-wide snapper, and a telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. There is a 20-megapixels front camera on the cover display. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 is packed with a 4800 mAh battery and dual battery technology design, 2460 mAh plus 2560 mAh, that supports 67W fast wired charging. The Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 support a 5G network and side-mounted fingerprint feature for unlock the phone and safety. For prices and other variants of this Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 smartphone, Kiki Review has provided a link in the description, and you can choose other variants of this Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 smartphone. Kiki Review thank you for watching this Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 video and see you soon.